Okay, it's a boy, and today we're going to discuss about access control list. Feel me? I'm going to teach you access control list in a simple way. Gonna like this one. Feel me? Okay, let's see what is access list. Access control list is a set of rules that are used to control incoming and outgoing network traffic. I'm gonna to repeat that. Access control list is a set of rules that control incoming and outgoing network traffic. It specifies which users or systems processes are granted to object as well as what operation are allowed on given objects. Feel me? So, access control lists are fundamental of network security, acting as filter to manage and restrict traffic flow. So access control lists they used as tool of network security. Feel me? Okay, we have some categories of access control list. We have file system access control list and networking access control list. What is file system access control list? These are used to manage access to files and directories, defining which users or systems can access specific files and what operation they can perform. You need to understand that. Another category which you have in our list is networking access control list. These are actually control. These are used to control network access by restricting routers and switches on which type of traffic can access the network and what activities are permitted. So this is the most common which we use, feel me? Another one, we have types of access control list. We have standard access control list and extended access control list. Let's start with standard access control list. Standard access control list, they used to filter traffic based on source IP addresses. You feel me? And standard access control lists, they are typically placed close to the destination to minimize unintended traffic filtering, because in standard access control list we are filtering traffic based on source IP address. So by placing that near to the destination, we minimize the error of unintended traffic to be filtered. You feel me? So in standard access control list, it starts from 1 to 99. That's numbered access control list, 1 to 99. Also, you can use 100, 1300 to 1999. That's the number that you can use in numbered access control list, standard access control list. So another one which we have is extended access control list. This helps you to filter based on source and destination IP addresses, port numbers, and protocol, as it provides more granular control. These are placed near to the source to filter traffic before it transfers to the network. And it starts from range 100 to 199. That's a numbered access control list, extended access control list. 100 to 199 and 2300 to 2699. You feel me? You need to understand that. Okay, we have some rules for applying access control list. Let's start with standard. Standard access control list, you're supposed to install it close to the destination to avoid unintended traffic. Extended access control list, we are advised to install close to the source to stop unwanted traffic early. Also, one access control list per interface per direction, inbound or outbound. Another one, implicitly deny at the end of every access control list. If rules matches, traffic is blocked. So at the end of each access control list, you have to put that one, implicit denial. Okay, let's see some examples. Here is our demo diagram, which we're going to use in our examples. You can see this is a demo example. Let's see how we can use standard access control list. As I said before, you can use using numbered or using names. So let's start example with numbers. Deny 192.168.1.1 to access the other network. Let me go back real quick. We are supposed to deny this one to access this network. So we're going to use standard access control list. Feel me? So this is the command which we are going to use. When you write this command, this is just command, and in order for that command to take place, you need to write this command. And when I say in giga interface gig 0.1/1, it is this one. This one. We are supposed to install it to the closest source. Feel me? So this is going to block this entire network. User is going to be blocked to access this network. But these users can communicate, and this one can communicate to this one, but this one can also communicate to this network. This can also communicate to this network, but this one cannot communicate to this network. So that's how we do. When we go to named, the same thing. I've used another user this one. It's going to block to access the other network. You feel me? You feel me? Let me go back real quick. So how to use that? I've created named access control list called block user 3, and this is the command which you're going to use. IP access list standard, name of access list that you want, then deny the user that you want to be blocked, then you permit any. Then after that, to apply that, you need to write this command. You enter to the interface that you want. In my case, I entered to interface gig/0/1. Then IP access group, name of your access list in, because I'm going to restrict that user. Let me show you. I'm going to restrict this user to access these users or this network using named access control list. Film. So that's how we do. We have extended access control list. In extended access control list, it's the same thing, but here we specify the source and destination IP address. Feel me? This is I've started with numbered access, as we said before. Extended access control list starts from 100 to 199, and you get another list of there. Feel me? So review this tutorial to get another list. So numbered access control, I've just written access list 100 deny IP. You mention your user that you want to block, then source user, destination user. Then you finish your command. access list 100 permit IP any. So this is how we do. How to apply it? You use interface gig 0/0, then IP access group 100 out. Let me show you that interface real quick. Let me show you that interface real quick. Let me show you. It's like we have used this one. I've removed the previous standard access control list. That's why I'm using this again. So you use this one. You are supposed to use this one. Is supposed to be blocked to access this one, and this one can access this one, and this one also can access these devices. So to apply, you use this one because, as we have said before, extended access list is supposed to store to the nearest destination. You feel me? So we use this one, interface gig 0/1. Feel? So that's how we do. Also, we have named access list. It is like this. You can check the command real quick. IP access list extended finance here. Deny IP host, your source host IP, then host destination IP. Permit IP any. I've just saved and I've just applied it in the interface that I've showed you. IP access group, the name of access list, out. Then I'm done. That's how we do. So if it's your first time, make sure you subscribe to this channel, like, share, comment, and follow the video. Feel me? You need to do that, bro. It helps me a lot. Feel me? Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more video like this. I'm out.